This is a 60-watt stereo amplifier PCB from Soldering Mind, designed to amplify audio for two speakers, left and right. The board is divided into two identical sections, so both audio channels work the same way. Each side takes a small audio signal and increases its power so it can drive a speaker with clear, balanced sound. At the top of the PCB are the power transistor locations. These transistors deliver the high current needed to drive the speakers and are mounted on heat sinks to remove heat. The 0.33 ohm emitter resistors placed near them help control current flow and protect the transistors, ensuring stable and safe operation at high power. The middle section of the PCB contains the signal and driver stages. This part prepares and controls the audio before it reaches the output transistors. It includes small transistors, resistors, and capacitors that set the gain, reduce distortion, and keep the amplifier running smoothly with clean sound. At the bottom of the PCB are the power supply and signal connections. This is where the positive, negative, and ground voltages are connected, along with the left and right audio inputs and speaker outputs.